Hello, this is a video about our FAQ. Are you a factory of thermolabel and label materials? Yes, we are a factory of thermolabel and label raw material. Our factory is located in Guangdong, China and Malaysia. Our factory has a square meter of 50,000 and we have more than 100 employees. Also, our factory is equipped with state-of-the-art machinery and adopts advanced manufacturing processes. We pride ourselves on our ability to efficiently produce high-quality products, and our products adhere to the strictly quality control standards and is able to explain production to meet large orders. Thank you.